Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by choosing the strongest photos. Pick 5 to 10 with clear faces and varied lighting so you have options. Once chosen, open Gemini, tap the plus icon and import from camera roll or files. This speeds your workflow. Make sure to enable face tags and RAW capture where available because that preserves detail and lets you edit skin tone, exposure, and color non-destructively. This early setup avoids losing quality later and gets you straight into precise adjustments. Now you perform the core corrections. Crop for composition, try 16:9 or square, and position the subject off-center for dynamics. Then balance exposure, contrast, highlights, and shadows. Small changes like 3/10 to 1 full stop make the image feel natural rather than overprocessed. Next, use Gemini's selective tools on the face. Apply modest smoothness and increase eye sharpness to retain detail. Once done, toggle between before and after to verify you're improving mood and clarity. You finish by color grading. Tweak temperature, tint, and vibrance and test a preset at low strength, about 10 to 30%, so the look feels cohesive. After that, export as JPG at 90% for web or TIFF for highest quality, and always keep the original backed up in case you need to return. If you see halos, banding, or unnatural skin tones, revert the specific layer or reduce the offending slider by half. This quick troubleshooting step prevents overcorrection and preserves a realistic final image.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.